Hello everyone, I'm Sneha in Sindhi College. So today I'm going to ask few questions of the final year student who's going to graduate. So let's go and see how was their experience. Come guys, let's go and see.
Hi,
Your name
myself Manoj.
and which course?
I'm from BCA final year.
So I have a question for you. Like a few months we are going to be a graduated,
Okay.
and I want you to know how was your experience in us in the college. Can you please share your experience?
Well, actually, Sindhi College, I have learned so many things in this college compared to my first year. How was it in my first year and how am I now? Lots of things have changed in me. Let it be confidence, let it be communication skills, whatever. If you had asked me the same question in my first year, I wouldn't have answered it. But after coming here, I learned few things. I learned how to communicate. I actually built my confidence. So I tell Sindhi College has really given me so much friends, emotions, memories, and it has even taught me how to move forward in life.
Like you said, you were in SGC. Can you share your experience about that?
Yeah, so being in SGC was one of my dreams. When I was in first year, I actually admired SGC people. Even I wanted to be one. So I applied for the role of general secretary in my third year, and I actually got the post. I actually feel a lot more confident after getting into SGC. I have learned so many things, even from my co-teammates, everyone.
That's
So I
nice.
tell it's a very memorable experience. I would never forget.
Thank you for sharing your wonderful memory. Thank you so much. Hello.
Hi,
Your name
my name is Kushi Kashyap
and your course.
and I'm from BSc final year.
So, as you know, we are going to graduate in a few months.
Yes.
So, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Like, how was your experience in the Sindhi college? Can you please share your experience or what was?
Okay, so my experience in Sindhi College for the past 3 years were very good. As in the college, we have supportive teachers. So if there is any mistake or if you're not coming up in academics, they're always there for us. And I'm also an SJC member. So even in the SJC, we bring out the best for the student committee. And talking about the college environment is very friendly. And the college environment provides us each time we learn something. And talking about this, obviously I have a lot of friends.
Like, what made you to join in SGC?
Okay, so the only thing that made me join in SJC is in the past years I've seen my seniors work throughout an SJC committee and they have brought out the best for the students. But I also, looking at them, I was very inspired and that is what made me join the SJC.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Kushi,
you.
for sharing your wonderful memory. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Let's go and find out what is his experience. Come, excuse me.
Yes.
Bro, your name,
My name is Ishman Singh.
course.
I'm from BBA Aviation final year.
So I have a question for you. Like few months we are going to graduate, and how was your experience in us in the college? Can you please share your experience?
Oh yes, I had a wonderful experience here in Sindhi College. I'm from aviation background. They took us to various airport visits. I visited Salem Airport. I visited Tirupati Airport with my batch of students. Faculty are also very nice, extremely friendly. And we have many facilities also here. We have an indoor stadium. We are free to play whenever we want. Mostly in break hours, people go and play. We have a library with many various books of different departments. So yeah, I'm happy here. I've had a good CGPA. I've had a good experience.
Thank you for sharing your wonderful experience, bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You know we are in a few months we are going to be get graduated.
Yeah.
So I want to ask you a few questions. Like how was your experience in us in the college? Can you please share your experience?
Yeah, sure. So initially, I didn't take admission here. My dad, he himself came here. He took form. He came to me and he asked join this college. I was like, okay, fine. Anyway, I wasted my 2 years, so I thought, okay, whatever my dad decides, I'll go further with that. I came here and I chose both psychology and journalism. So I thought, okay, professors here, they might be strict or they might not be friendly. I thought, okay, fine, let's see. So after meeting Kaushik sir, Sandesh sir, Dilupa ma'am and Vanita ma'am and other few professors, I was so relieved. I was so happy that I got so friendly professors. They are very supportive. They are very, they'll encourage a lot. And more than students, they will treat as a student. Treat as a friends. Like if we have any problem or if we have any concerns, we will go to them and
Yeah,
they will
sure.
solve our every problems. They're like guardians, I can say. now I can tell that like I'm very lucky to be here because I got such a great professors, and my professors, I mean my BA professors are very, they don't bias, they don't do any partiality and all. They treat everyone equally. That's what I liked about them a lot. And
Amrita, can you share about your communication skills after this experience?
yeah, actually during my school days and till my second PU, I barely had any communication with my teachers because I was an introvert student. Now also I am, but still, yeah, I was not used to talk to them a lot. But when I came here, I started to talk with everyone. I'll be interacting with them. If I have any doubt, I'll ask them without any hesitations. So the reason for me opening up is because of their, encouraging to open up. They're encouraging to talk. So I think one or the other way they are the reason for my communication. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Amrita, for sharing your wonderful experience.
Thank you.
Hello,
Hi,
your name?
Rohit. I'm from BB Aviation final year.
So, as we are going to graduate in a few months, and I have a question for you. How was the experience in our Sindhi college? Can you please share your experience?
For the past 3 years, it was a hectic journey. There were many ups and downs, but I learned a lot of things from this college, and I'm glad that I found pretty good friends who are so who are so very good hearted and humble towards me. Every single time they help me, and I love the faculty, the teachers, every single one. They're so helpful to each other, and I'm happy that I've spent a pretty while, and I'm carrying some memories from this college.
Can you share your experience on that?
Like this is the first time I got into SGC this year, and it was a good experience being a member of SGC. I was a captain of Red Storms. I thought the moment I got into the captaincy, I thought I have to chase the glory because it's my mindset like that. So I tried my level best, but the competition from the other houses was pretty good. I tried my level best, but it was a nice journey.
Thank you for sharing your wonderful experience. Thank you so much.
Thank
Hello, Nikita.
Hi Sneha.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, Nikita. So I have a question for you. Like, how was your experience in our Sindhi college? Can you please share your experience?
Sure, I'll do that. So, firstly, the thing is, from my schooling till now, if I see, I've never had any teachers who were very friendly to me. It was always, I kind of felt there was a boundary, teacher and the student. But now, here, it feels like they're more like our, like friends more than teachers. They're so good. Anything you can share with them, they're very friendly. They don't do any sort of partiality, or there's no any kind of bias that they do for us. And in personally, it's not just that academically I'm learning from them, but there are a lot of skills that I've learned from them.
So yeah, Nikita, what you're saying, it's everything. It's right. Like even we had experience. So can you share your experience about your internship? We were doing an internship, right? About that, you can share your experience.
Yeah, sure, Sneha. So as you know, both of us, we went to the same place, and along with us, we had even Varsha and Amrita. It was really a wonderful time, and for the people who are seeing also. So we had gone to a place called as Nightingale's Dementia Daycare, and we worked with our patients who had dementia, and it was really a wonderful experience that I felt really so happy, like they were waiting. We actually, it was not like I was just working in a place. We were going for different organizations like NGOs and old age homes. So when I went there, I personally felt so happy because people, when they see us, they used to feel so happy. They used to literally come to us, they used to hug us. Even, like there was one particular person who actually kissed me, one old granny. And it's a good thing, like I felt really good. I was able to make a person smile. That 1 month of internship brought a lot of joy for me and all of my friends, including Sneha, who came with us. More than just the learning, it was like giving our time for people who were alone, they spoke to us, they shared their experiences. It was really a wonderful time. That internship was
Yeah,
for me.
Nikita, actually, you are saying that memories are coming back to me. Thank you, Nikita, for sharing your valuable experience. It was very nice, and thank you so much, Nikita. Guys, here we came to the conclusion. After speaking to a final year student of graduating, they gave a different kind of experience and positive experience of them. And my experience in the Sindhi college, it was a good experience overall. For especially my BA department teacher who helped me a lot, Sandesh sir, Dilrupa ma'am, Kaushik sir, many teachers, they helped me and motivated me and supported me and encouraged. For example, when they teach us subjectly, they do a practical activity. It was helpful for me in a subject wise to improve. And the workshop and me knowledgeable and confident. And this experience was got me a good friend in college. And also the teacher who were helpful and guiding in practicals and subject to improve the marks. It's a overall was amazing experience to me, and thank you for watching my video, and please like and share and subscribe. If you have any experience of your college, and please comment it below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.